Heritage Hotel, Nashville. There we go.
Pretty good sale room we got.
Very nice. Oh, they're getting their picture in front of the tree. Jake, look at this tree. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. This is just a conference room. Very pretty.
It's like a place for people to have parties.
Okay. This way. Let's see this way. What's it say? Fitness and Governor's Salon. Right. Oh, there it is.
Westinghouse.
Hmm.
Old Westinghouse there, Drew?
Yeah, it's pretty old, but it's a, it says Otis.
Otis Bud.
Well, it's pretty old.
It's been somewhat modernized. It's got
Wallpaper on it. And this vent down here. It's pretty cool.
See, it used to have the indicators up here, but it looks like they closed that.
Mm-hmm. Phone, Drake, phone. Well,
Oh, look at this
You
old.
want to open.
Yeah, it's too hard to open.
now come back. Going down. Let's go to fitness level. That was M.
Mezzanine.
Mezzanine. What floor is that? 9? It's only 9 floors.
B stands for basement. G stands for lobby.
Ground floor.
Ground floor.
L stands for lobby. Okay. The Governor's Salon this way. Oh, here's the fitness and health. Let's watch these doors close. That's weird. Look at that. There was an elevator here, Dad. Remember? Down there, there's an elevator here. It must only go down.
Oh, yeah, it's behind this.
Here, you guys, let's see this. Look at this, Drake. The Governor's Salon. It's just a meeting room. And then come around this way. They have chess tables. Oh, this is the stairs down we saw. Yeah. But let's go peek at the fitness and then take that down to the elevator with press going down. Oh, beautiful old mail chute.
Need a key.
Yeah.
Need a key.
Let's go back down to L and try to get on that other elevator. Probably only goes down. Might be for the parking garage. L.
Might be a parking elevator.
Yeah.
See that weight thing? Is that real or is that just?
Says if it's at the maximum. That's one of the mods on it. Oh, here we are. Press that one. Is that for the parking garage? Because it can't go up.
Doesn't say don't use it.
Mm-hmm.
It goes to the parking.
Maybe. I like when things. Oh.
Service.
What? Oh, it is.
Service.
Go to 1. That's the grill.
Oh, this one's the elevator to West one. This one's the elevator to
Yeah, this goes to the restaurant. Tiny.
Very
Tiny.
They're tiny.
Yeah.
think we had the restaurant.
Yeah.
That'd be cool. Interesting elevators today. Pretty slow.
2.
Oh, it just got to 2? Oh my goodness. This is the slowest elevator. And it's very tiny and kind of hot in here, honestly. Oh, here we are at the restaurant. That's a very nice restaurant. Here's the bathrooms too. Alright. So women's this way? Here we are. Ladies. Ladies. Very nice. Makeup table. Yep, very nice. Alright, come on, little buddy.
Okay.
Okay. Never did.
Old Sloan.
Okay. See this one? Oh, that one's out of order.
Which one's out?
The middle one. No, it's out of order. Hey! The hand.
It's clogged.
Yeah, it's clogged. Clogged. Here.
Clogged.
See the men's. The gentlemen's.
Because did it say ladies?
Yeah, this says ladies. And there's the stairs up.
Look at, wait till you see this, Drake. Till you see this bathroom. By popular request, men and women alike in the Nashville area have requested that we restore this to its original luster. Men and women alike want to peek inside. Look at these cool old potties. What's it say there? It's really hard to see. Can you see it?
Landon. Landon.
They just drip forever. You see? They're flushless and they just drip forever. And then look at these old potties. They got the HH for the hotel. Green with black.
Mom's gonna see the man.
Yeah, Mom may have to sneak in. You can't tell what they are though. Asphalt something. Look at this. Shoe shine.
What about the toilets?
Delta.
Did you already get all the toilets and urinals? The women's wasn't on.
You see the sign out front. It says there's like.
It was just saying a music video.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it?
Are not flushless.
They're not.
They just drip forever.
It just
All right.
falls
This is perfect. You want to say goodbye in here, Drake? All right. Here, climb up. Climb up on the shoe shiner. Climb up. Can you put your feet up? There you go. All right. Now say goodbye to YouTube.
Bye bye, you too. And make sure you really leave a like and subscribe. Merry Christmas.
Really leave a like and subscribe. Merry Christmas. High five, bud. This is a good find.